charger. Stop!
Who would you save in a burning building, me or Kenzie?
You?
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
What did you do while I was gone today?
Jerry, think about it. It's a baby. Don't do it.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants. Hey!
Pull the lever, Kronk. Wrong lever!
Do it.
She was a fairy.
With span, correct? No filter 16? Okay.
Jump, dude. Oh, sorry.
Hello, Phoenix.
Sama.
She's like, I'm staying low.
What was that? Oh, no, Loki.
What's up?
I don't know what the hell that is. Is it a lynx? What is that? Definitely not a domestic cat.
Oh my god!